vision. Speak of the flood as a trickle of rain, of torrents untamed as a fault to explain. Cast your gaze on the shattered trees, ask why they broke, never hearing peril in their pleas. Their lives cast away so mercilessly, faster than they could flee to the arms of safety. Homes swallowed whole in a blink, disappeared, and you wonder why they stayed, paralyzed by fear. Shall we ask the man, chest deep in despair, why he couldn't save those who tugged at him there? Will you point to his breath, clinging to strife, dare to question the value of his life? The mountains, they wept with rivers untamed, carving the earth, leaving no one unshamed. Yet tongues lash bold with questions severe, as if ignorance could ever make the truth more clear. The branches cradled remnants, silent and still, while the rivers consumed with insatiable will. But memories cling where the bodies could not, in hearts left hollow, in sorrow's knot. Critic, hold your breath before you speak, for judgment's crown sits on the ignorant, the weak. To know their pain, their silence, their fight, is to honor their shadows that haunt the night. So tread with care on this broken ground, where whispers of loss in the winds resound. Not all that's unseen escapes the eye.